Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with the Lego Harry Potter set 75956, the Quidditch match. 500 pieces. Yeah, thereabouts anyway. Here we go. So, straight up, here are my thoughts and opinions on this set. There's the gold trophy and the chest with the bulgers and the quaffle in it. And there's the rings at the far end of the field, of course, with the keeper. And let me see here. We're going to move down here and we're going to see that is Marcus Flint there, straight ahead. And of course Severus Snape off to the left. And Oliver Wood and Lucien Bowl. And Harry Potter and Hermione Granger. Yeah, so that's the minifigs that come with it. So they're pretty cool figs. And lots of details into this whole thing. Now, the thing I have about this is it's kind of small. This is half a set. This is only one half the set. If you want to make the Quidditch field, you need 2 full sets like this in order to do it. Also, the big beef I have is it's not tall enough. The towers are taller in the movies than the rings are at the end of the field. There's Harry with the golden snitch, and there's Hermione by the Gryffindor Tower, and of course Severus Snape over there. And this tower is pretty cool because in the movie there's a part where they come flying through the bottom of the tower. Well, there's like a trapdoor built into this one, so you can simulate that as well. So that's pretty cool. Once again, I don't like the minifigure legs on this. They should have used the articulated legs on these small minifigures, the short legs, like they did in the blind bags for this series. Now, there's the Slytherin Tower with Severus Snape, and of course he does sit up there and cast a spell on Harry, and when Hermione does her little thing, she causes a fire up there in the tower, so a flame pops up and catches the tower on fire. So, looking at Oliver there, he's swinging back and forth, which is a cool play feature on this, because you can move him back and, back and forth type of thing. So, this is something I'm going to work with here. You know me, this is, I got to modify stuff, so I'm going to do something with that along the way, and I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is right now, because I'm going to have a big reveal of this down the road. There is the Ravenclaw Tower with the loudspeaker or megaphone out the front, so not really nothing special about the Ravenclaw Tower. Now, I have taken 2 of these sets. This is the second set, and I've already started work on the first set, because I just, like I said, it's not tall enough, so it has to have like double height. Right in there is the flags for the different houses, and whatever match is being played, the flag goes up. So therefore, right now, it will be Slytherin versus Ravenclaw. It was Slytherin versus Gryffindor a minute ago, and the yellow is for Hufflepuff, of course. So you can have whatever team you want to have up there. But since the minifigures are red and green, that would be Slytherin and Gryffindor. So unless you have some yellow torsoed minifigures or blue ones for the other teams, it would look kind of odd. But, it's just your imagination, so just play along with it. Love this Harry and his Nimbus 2000 and the Golden Snitch. That Golden Snitch makes this set. I mean, it's really cool. It really makes a difference than a little golden stud that they had in previous Quidditch match sets years ago. But there's just my thoughts and opinions on this set. Like I said, it's too short, and you need 2 of them to make a proper Quidditch field. But that being said, that's more or less for collectors and displays alike. However, for $49.99 Canadian, this set has lots of playability. It's very swooshable and playable with. So I love this set for the price range and price point, of whatever you want to call it. It's well worth it. So if you can get it, get it. A lot of places don't have it. Toys R Us does not sell it here. They say it's because it is an exclusive to Lego.com, the shop at home. I don't know what that story is. I couldn't tell you. But anyway, you can get it at Lego.com, and it's a great set. So, if you can get it, pick it up and enjoy it. I'm going to have another video down the road of this set because I am doing a major upgrade and mock of this set, of the whole Quidditch field. So stay tuned for that one of the Quidditch field, the whole Quidditch field that will be. It's going to be a big video too. So, enjoyed this little video of my thoughts and opinions on this set. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below for me, please. It's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.